Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we got some awesome watch faces to review. They're free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. There's going to be 3 in all. But before we get started, we got some winners to announce of the color tile watch faces. Sorry for the delay. Now we're going to announce the winners really quick so we can go ahead and kick this review off. Now, number 1 is going to be Jackie. Jackie, you know who you are. Number 2 is going to be Arthur Strout. Number 3 is going to be Sonja McMillan. Now, I'm going to send you all the watch face codes. I have your email. Don't worry about it. Look for them in the mail. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's get on with this review. What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we got some freebies for you to check out in the Gear Manager store. These are on the home page, so make sure you go download right away. It didn't have no time limit, but it does have a time limit, if you know what I mean. Just go download right away. Now, the name of this watch face is called Luxury and Aqua, if I pronounced that right. Okay, this is a wallpaper watch face, which is really nice. And for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, they differ from one another so far as the AOD mode, but they both look really, really nice. Now, when the watch face is on, you get a few dials. Of course, you get info on your steps, your battery percentage, calories burned, and your heart rate. And they are active, so if I tap right here, it will take me into my settings. If I tap here, I can go into my calorie burn status info, and you get the date down there as well. Don't want to forget that, right? And I like that you can change the background by a single tap. A single. Not bad at all. And it has 10 wallpapers and all that you can change to. Choose which one you like, and you're all good. And of course, you can go into your step status as well. I like it. I think it's fun. Everyday watch face. All right, you all. Let's check out watch face number two is nice. This one is called Gold Glaze. In the always on mode, I like how they both look. In the AOD mode, I like the Gears 2 a little bit better, but they both look nice. Now, when the watch face is on, you get the best of both worlds. This time you get your digital time at the top, which is different. Get a PM stamp. You're going to get the day of the week. You also come down. You got nice analog hands, which I like. And you get your heart, well, not your heart rate, your step info and your battery percentage right there. You do get your calories burned and your heart rate, and it is in an active. Simply single tap, and it'll take you right in. Let's tap right here. Get your step info, calories burned. Of course, you can go in and set an alarm. This is a nice watch face, and you get about 24 backgrounds. Single tap. We're not going to go through all of them, but this is nice depending on your mood. Depending on what you have on for that day, you're good. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 3. This one is nice. It's called Futurama LCD. This one is nice. Out of all of them, I think I like this one the best. Now, in the always on mode, they pretty much look the same for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. I like that. And when the watch face is on, I'm really liking the look of this watch face. I like the background. I like the info that it gives. Now, up at the top, you are going to get your step info. Miles walked around. You come down. You get digital time in big, bold numbers. You get your month, your date, and also your day, calories burned, heart rate information, and battery. You know, I hang out with low cell. You can go into your settings there, and you can also get your calories info intake and your heart rate as well. And I like the fact that you can change the background of this one. And with this one, you also get 24 different backgrounds with this one. This is a pretty awesome watch face. The developer definitely did a good job with this one. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store. Go in, experience more of these watch faces, and that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.